Hi guys! Today I'm going to be opening Poopsie Surprise. In here you will find 10 surprises. So let's open it and I'll show you what's inside. So first there's this clear wrap that you need to take off. Comes off very easily. Then there's a line, more plastic, so I want to pull that down. Oh. Got a little more plastic still. Okay, I've got it. Okay, then it says unroll here, so I'm going to unroll. It's just like real toilet paper. First I've got unicorn food. Next, I've got unicorn magic, my magical scent, a magic spoon. When you get it off, what you want to do is there's a lock sign and then there's an unlock sign. So we're going to do it to the unlock sign and it's unlocked. Guys, I got unicorn sparkle. I got the rare. Oh, I wonder what I could have got. So let's open these ones. Whoa, get it out. Okay, this is my first one. Ooh. So I think I'm gonna open this one first. It's a bit hard. I'm gonna get the scissors. Just cut the top right off. Wow! Green! Cool. I wonder what my next one should be. It's kind of round when you feel it. I can't wait to see. Guys, I got the one I really wanted is a pineapple. Look how cute. And it's got tiny glasses. So you can just open it like this. 1 second. And it pops right open. So I'm going to open my last package. Wait, this is my last package. I can't wait to see what I get. I got a flamingo. It's so sparkly and nice. So, once you've got all your things out of your package, what you want to do is take your unicorn food, everything off of your wrap. Oh, that's nice. So, I'm gonna open my magic spoon and my magic scent. Wow, I got a gold spoon! Okay, next is my surprise scent. Oh guys, look! It's a yellow colour. I wonder what it could be. So, when you finish opening your packages, you want to get a jug of water. And you want to fill it up to the measuring line, which is 15 ml. Just a little over. That will do it. You want to pour it in the bottom. Then you want to do it again, but I'm going to put a little bit less. Once you've done that, you want to take your unicorn food and cut it open. Get your scissors. Okay, so it's a little bit stuck together. I'm going to cut it again. Okay, so I'm going to pour my powder. Whoa, guys, it's just white powder. I wonder what colour it's going to change. I can see it already. If you look carefully, you can see it. So we're going to get all of the unicorn food out. Okay guys, once you've got your unicorn food, you want to mix. Go over on the table. When you've mixed and it's dissolved into the water, take your spoon out and you want to close it up and shake it for a minute. So I'm going to shake it. Wow. I think I've shaked it for about a minute. So I'm just going to unroll my scent. A little bit more. I love Poopsie so far. It's really fun. That should do it. Coming off. Wow, I can't wait to see my scent. It smells so nice. I can't put my finger on what it could be though. Probably, it kind of smells like coconuts, so that's what I'm going to go with. So then you have to wait 10 minutes for your slime to form. So I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. Bye, and I'll see you later. It's been a few minutes and I'm going to put the scent in now, so I'm going to twist this. So I'm going to add my coconut scent, I think. Okay, that was about 5 drops. So now I'm going to leave it. Bye! And I'll see you after a few more minutes. I'm going to shake it a little bit too. Bye! Okay guys, so I've left it for more than 10 minutes because I had to have my lunch, but I really can't wait to see what happened to it. I don't know if it works, I don't know if it didn't work. Let's check. Oh. Guys, I think it worked. It's got all slimy. Oh my god. It looks like it worked. So, this is the slime still a bit sticky, but that's okay. And I'm going to add my unicorn magic in a minute. So, I'm really happy with the colour. I like the pink colour because it's like a transparent pink when you put it. You can see that. And it's a really light pink and I don't know what colour my unicorn magic is going to turn it. So let's just put the unicorn magic in and guess we're going to have to see. So I'm going to stretch it out on the table and yeah. And then I'm going to show you, and I'm going to pour some unicorn magic on it. I think the unicorn magic makes sense. It's more not sticky. So I'm going to grab my scissors and I cut a tiny slip on this side. Oh, it's so sparkly. Oh. So guys, I'm going to pour some of the unicorn magic in. And I'm going to knead it in. And this looks so cool. It's like shimmer. Look. Oh my god. It's like a bag. And then when you pull it, all the shimmer will come out. Cool. So I'm going to knead this in. So sparkly and nice. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the colour. Or maybe it'll make it into a better colour. Okay, so it's mixing in good. It's just gonna mix it in. So it's really sparkly all around. My hands are sparkly now, and it's got a little more glitter chunks in it. So I'm just gonna mix that. Oh, so the glitter is now mixing in, and I can't wait to add the unicorn sparkle. Oof. So let's add the unicorn magic. Oh, there's quite a lot in this thing. Get all of it out. It's like a mountain. So cool. Okay. Oh, I got all over the table. Wow. It's got all shimmery and nice. Oh look, it's really sparkly now. Okay, so now I'm going to put my unicorn sparkles in. I'll mix this in later. So, I don't know what colour it's going to turn. So it's probably a pearly pink now, and I like that. It's a really nice pearly pink. Oh, cut that. It's tiny hearts! I'll put some more here so you can guys see. Oh, gone all over. I think this is a really nice kit. Wow. It's really nice and glittery. I like the glitter. It makes it really pearly and stuff. Oh! I'm going to add a little more of the sparkles because I really like them. They're really cute. Wow, guys. This is like one of the best slimes I've ever handled. It's really slimy and stretchy. It's so pretty. Wow, that's a nice slime. So I'm going to add some sparkles into it. Now I'm going to ruin it. I was making it more shiny. I think it's making it better, yeah. You can see all the tiny hearts at the top. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Melanie's Fab Finds. Bye!